Let's go back to the goals earlier. You mentioned you want to be fluent. One tip is you need to create, of course, SMART goals. Set specific goals. Kasi achieving fluency is very broad. Dapat may mga examples ka. For example, you want to hold a conversation. So, hold a conversation with someone in French. Kasi you want to, for example, you want to invite a colleague for lunch. Yan. So, you want to invite someone for lunch. You have to measure it. Say, I need to start learning 300 French words or phrases. Okay? So, you have to measure it. And so, specific dapat. The goal has to be attainable. Then, in order for me to learn those 300 words, siyempre, i-list down ko. And I have to list down the phrases, the vocabularies. Okay. So, attainable, 15 to 20 minutes a day. So, attainable yan, no? Kayang-kaya. You can also record yourself. This is what I did before. When I was first learning French, I listened to a certain phrase and then I record myself while speaking it and then I listen again to the original. Tapos, kina-compare ko yung original din sa akin. So, I try to associate the letters, the words, yung pronunciation through that. So, this is a good thing since we all have, I'm sure may mga phones naman tayo na may recorder. This is specific, this is measurable, this is attainable, relevant. May nag-mention earlier, may mga French students, no? So, for example, you have a French student that you want to talk to. Want to talk to French colleagues or French students. Yeah. It's relevant. It should be relevant to your current situation. Okay. And then T, what is T? It's time bound. I should learn how to converse, let's say, in 2 months' time. Yan. Yan. Kasi, aalis na yung colleague ko, babalik na siya sa France. Things like that. It's good that you set very specific goals. Yun, unti-unti siya. Right? Your big goal is to be fluent. And then you separate it into smaller chunks, smaller goals that are attainable and more specific. Yeah. So this is one example on how you can achieve it. And when you start achieving that certain goal and then this goal, in the end, marirealize mo, nandun na pala ako sa bigger goal ko. That's how you start actually set goals.